Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to see Telegram messages without them knowing. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. On Telegram, you can see any messages from any chat, any conversation, any group or channel without marking them as read. And let me show you how you can easily do that. So, first you're gonna do is just open up Telegram app, and when you are at your chats and you want to read some messages without them knowing, all you have to do is just hold down on that conversation, just not enter the conversation, just hold down on it to bring up these features, and now you can scroll down through all that messages. As you can see, the last 3 messages marked as unread messages. And now I can get access to those messages. I can read the entire text of that messages. After that, I can tap on mark as read if I wish, but if I don't want anyone to know that I have read these messages, I can just tap somewhere at blank space, and as you can see there, it says that I got 3 unread messages. And in the same way I can read messages in any conversation in the same way. So now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful Telegram tutorials. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.